Take command of mealtime with THOR Kitchen and cook like a god. Great recipes call for crisp, fresh ingredients. Answering the call is THOR's 36-inch professional French door refrigerators. Open the doors to a higher level of culinary excellence. Inside is where the magic happens. Bigger is better, and the 22.6 cubic foot storage capacity stores enough food for any meals you can dish out. THOR's twin cooling system separates refrigerator and freezer zones, so your French vanilla below will never smell like the fresh salmon above. Moisture, odor transfer, and freezer burn? Gone. Compliments on meals? Way up. LED lighting makes it easy to see what's inside, especially during those midnight munchie runs. Easy to adjust controls keep food at the optimum temperature. Chill out with on-demand ice. Adjustable racks and shelves make it a cinch to store food in every size and shape. Easy to clean stainless steel finishes resist fingerprints and smudges, so you never have to explain yourself. How can something designed to keep food cold look so hot? The THOR Kitchen Professional French Door Refrigerator. The hardest working kitchen mate you'll ever own.